Yep, it's another day of art journaling for AJ's Snark Pack, and today I'm just doing a real quick page. This is a background that I created using some watercolor and spray. So I'm just starting off with these Art by Marlene watercolors. I was hoping they'd be a little more vibrant than they are. I don't end up using this page just yet, but you will see it in something in the future. But I'm trying to create a few pieces ahead of time to work on. This bright pink, I was hoping for a real fluorescent pink, and it just wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to at all. But, you know, that's the way it is. These are not artist grade, they're student grade quality watercolors, and you get what you get. So some of the colors are really pretty, and I'm not going to have a fit about it. I'm just going to create my background, and then you'll see me use this at a later date. And then I have a page there that's gessoed already. I have been gessoing ahead, putting things down on the pages, and I'm going to take those water brushes that are filled with ink and create using those because they're a little more vibrant. That ink has a little more intensity to it, and I was looking for something with a little more intensity than what I was getting with the watercolors. Now, these reservoir brushes are filled with Diane Reevely ink, but there are any number of inks on the market that you could do this with. So, you know, if you have something else that you want to use, feel free to do that. You also don't need a water reservoir. You could just pour some out in a tray and use a regular brush. Here I have a stencil. I think this is a Ranger stencil with this bubble effect. And I'm just going to, you know, transfer some of that. Now I'm using some of those Diane Reevely in a spray bottle. And this is another way that you can use inks. You can add inks to spray bottles and create lots of interest doing that. But you can see I'm just using the ink that I have and creating some interest in a background. Prepping pages. That's what I'm doing. I'm prepping pages for something in the future. So now I have this page, and I'm looking at some quotes. These are snarky quotes from, I think, Tim Holtz. And I have a magazine. I'm going to cut out this image from a magazine because I want to make a mask. A mask is just something that you put over your page to ink around. And I'm saving that girl picture because I think she's got a nice face and she might work into something in the future. And I'm just getting a black archival ink pad because I don't want to use paint or gesso or anything. I'm trying to work dry. Uh, I get into trouble with wet pages sometimes, so dry is better. So I've got that blocked out, and I will grab that border stencil from What If NC and add some floral design, leaf design to the top of my page using that stencil and some gesso. So I'm getting one of those these are makeup brushes, and just applying the gesso through my stencil using the makeup brush. And if you're interested in any of these products or anything, and you're going to go shopping, Check out my links down below in the description box. It's where you click more. I've got information there about Amazon, and if you use my Amazon link, I do get a little bit of kickback. It doesn't cost you anymore, but it helps out the artist. So I have a stamp that's got a little bit of script on it. I'm going to use a Posca pen and outline my image. And the leaf I'm also outlining. And I will add a quote. I'm going to use a white Posca pen to add the quote today. And today's snarky quote is, I meant to behave, but there were so many other options. Don't you love it? So, just going to finish up this one, and I'll be ready to move on to another page for tomorrow. I hope you're enjoying this series, and you join us on Art Joy Sharing. That's a Facebook group. It's listed in the description box below. And make some snarky art. Make somebody laugh today. I'll see you soon.